Okay, so in this video, I will answer some questions that will be asked by my English lecturers, Mr. Yousef.
What is your name?
Okay, my name is Naila Rahma Dewi. I am usually called Naila.
Where were you born? And what's special about your hometown?
So, I was born in the city of Karawang, a city that is known as an industrial city, a city that was previously called the Rice Barn City.
What are your hobbies?
Okay, my hobby is reading fiction novel. I have a collection of fiction novel in the corner of my room.
What is your favorite book, movies, or TV show?
One of my favorite books is the Earth series by Terelia. The book tells about the journey of three teenagers named Raib, Ali, and Sally to explore the galaxy, moving from one clan to another clan.
Is there a particular skill or talent you're proud of?
I feel I'm proud of one of my skills. There is karate.
What motivates or inspires you the most in life?
Someone once said to me, whatever we do, we can definitely finish it. From there, I believe that I can accomplish whatever is in front of me.
Are there any personal goals or dream you're actively pursuing?
Honestly, my dream is to be a mathematics teacher, but for one reason or another, I currently want to become an accountant.
Do you know what is accounting?
Yes, sure. Accounting is the process of recording, measuring, and reporting the finance of an entity or company.
What are the main branches of accounting?
Okay. Some of the main branches of accounting include the first financial accounting. There is concerned with recording, measuring, and reporting an entity's financial transaction. After that, management accounting. There's focuses on the use of financial information to assess management in decision making. After that, tax accounting. There's specialists in the preparation and assessment of tax liabilities. And then audit and insurance. There is involves the independent assessment of an entity's financial statement. After that, cost accounting. There is monitoring, analyzing, and controlling production costs and providing important information for management. After that, forensic accounting. There is involved financial investigation to detect fraud, cheating, or violation of law in a financial context. And then government and non-profit accounting. There is managing finance in the public sector or non-profit organization. Each branch has its own focus on supporting success and effective financial management in various types of organization.
What are the basic principles about accounting?
Okay, the basic principle of accounting consists of several important concepts that form the basis of a framework for managing financial financial information. Some of the basic principles include the first entity principle. There is recognized that business entities have a separate existence from their owners and from the business entities. After that, original cost principle, there is refers to recording asset and transaction based on the original cost unless there is a need to adjust the value according to another principle. Next, principle of conservatism. This is encourage recording potential loss immediately, but only recording gains when they are released. Other that, revenue relation principle, there is recognized revenue when sales have occurred or service have been provided, not when money is received. Other that, accounting period principle or periodicity principle, there is states that business activities should be separated into measurable time periods such as monthly, quarterly, or annually. And then going concern principle, that is assumes that a business entity will operate for a predictable period of time, allowing for the preparation of suitable financial report. And next, principle of openness or disclosure principle. There is demands that all relevant and important information must be disclosed in the financial report. After that, consistency principle, there is requires business entities to use consistent accounting methods from one period to another to allow for more precise comparison. There's principle from the basis for preparing financial reports. They are accurate, transparent, and trustworthy for users of financial information.
What is the purpose of double entry accounting?
Okay, the double entry bookkeeping system or double entry system that's make it easier for organization or companies to control every recording of financial transactions because the system is more effective and efficient than a single bookkeeping system or single entry system.
What is the difference between a debit and a credit in accounting?
The most common difference between debit and credit is that debit is defined as an increase in money, while credit is defined as an expenditure of money in the transaction process.
What is a balance of sheet?
The balance sheet is a part of an entity's financial statements products in an accounting period that show the financial position, namely the assets, liabilities, and capital of an entity at the end of the period.
What is the purpose of the statements of the cash flow?
The main purpose of cash flow is to provide detailed information about cash receipt and cash disbursement during a period.
What is the role of an auditor in accounting?
Okay, the answer. Auditor is also a person who has the authority to audit and review the accuracy of financial statements.